In the 3 previous episodes about the partial worker, you used primarily the tools that show you how to construct the overtone series and how to fit various notes in as partials or fundamentals. Now we're going to take the real power of it and apply this to instruments. So in this particular case, we're going into testing mode again, and at the same time we're going to add to the list trumpet as our main instrument that we want to look at in terms of finding fundamentals or finding partials. This will give us a chance then to isolate it down and only deal with notes that you could possibly play on the trumpet. In this case, we'll go ahead and say we want to look at trumpet partials. So we click on the next question. It'll say, what is the fifth partial, putting it in column 5, for the second partial displayed over here? Now the reason we ask you the second partial is because trumpets cannot play their fundamental. They are actually playing a low F sharp, in the treble clef for example, as the second partial, and when they go to the fifth partial they want to find the note that applies there. So if F sharp is in the bottom, next octave second is this F sharp, the fourth partial is that F sharp, then this A sharp is the fifth partial, and that's a particular note that a trumpet can play. When we submit the answer, it tells us that's true, and at the same time it tells us that that fingering would be 1, 2, and 3 if you're playing it in that fashion. Let's try another one. Alright, in this case it says the fifth partial is going to be above an A overtone series. Again, the trumpet cannot play its fundamental down here, so the first one that it can play is an A series, starting with the second partial there. There's the fourth partial. Therefore, this is going to be a C sharp as the fifth partial, and if you think about it, you're going to know that the answer is 1 and 2, or its alternate 3.